we will talk about E25 option fault related to Toshiba VFD. So this problem occurs into that VFD in which you have used option slot. So it means like you have used option slot C. So what you can do, you can replace that slot, okay, and then you can try to power off and on, and try to replace another option and check it's still same problem. Check connector is not damaged into your slot, so there is no issue of the connector. And if both things are okay, your option also is okay and connectors also are okay, the same fine, no issue, so in that case there are more chances that you need to repair your VFD. For that you can contact to your that supplier, from you get the your VFD, and they will repair it or need to replace this VFD. If still your problem is not resolved, you can write a mail to me on email ID incassalesone@gmail.com, and I have one PDF also that is chargeable. But with that, you will get a lot of knowledge about the VFD and VFD problems and how you can resolve the issue related to